Just for a moment, look up at the night sky. Gazing into that vast silence expanse filled with infinite stars, you might feel incredibly small, perhaps even insignificant. From nature's perspective, no single individual holds a special rank. And yet, in a profound way, you are extraordinary. Would you believe that there's no difference between the atoms that form a star and the atoms that compose your own brain? It is a mind-bending thought, one that can make you lose all your sense of reality if you dwell it too deeply. In truth, what has happened is that a collection of universal atoms has come together over eons to create a complex structure known as a human brain. Today, we explore one of the most haunting secrets of space science and philosophy. Is the human brain simply the universe's attempt to understand itself? Born within the hearts of stars. Think about it. The iron flowing in your red blood, the calcium strengthening your bones, and the carbon that forms every basics of your cells. None of these were made on Earth. These elements were born billions of years ago. They were forged through intense chemical reactions inside massive stars and released into the cosmos during a violent, majestic explosions known as supernovas. For billions of years, these atoms drifted through a void as mere stardust. Then 4.5 billion years ago, the dust coalesced to form Earth. After billions more years, those same atoms bonded into increasingly complex patterns to finally create you. Matter used its inherent energy to create inanimate atoms. Those atoms eventually sparked into life. And finally, that living matter was gifted with a consciousness so advanced to wonder, who am I? And what is this universe? In every moment you ponder these questions, something miraculous happens. A part of the universe, you, is turning around to look at itself. Your eyes are the mirrors the universe uses to witness its own beauty. You're not just the person who's living in the world. You are universe itself, finally waking up. The cosmic web and the human mind. What if I told you the brain and the universe share the same blueprint? Scientists have recently discovered the striking similarity between the network of neurons in your own brain and the cosmic web. In other ways, the galaxies are interconnected across space. There are roughly 100 billion neurons in the human brain. Coincidentally, there are estimated 100 billion galaxies in the observable universe. The logic of their connectivity is nearly identical. Furthermore, water makes up about 75% of the brain mass. Similarly, about 75% of the universe's mass is composed of dark matter and dark energy, invisible mediums that allow information and energy to flow. Is this a mere coincidence, or is the universe functioning like a one giant cosmic brain? Perhaps we are in a tiny neural impulse within a mind of a vast entity, and the thoughts of the mind are very galaxies we see. Who knows? The observer and the reality. The deepest, most profound secret of our existence is hidden within the strange and ethereal world of quantum physics. This science reveals a truth that challenges everything we think we know about reality. It suggests that if there's no eye to behold it, or no mind to witness it, the physical world exists only as a ghostly blur of possibilities. In the language of science, this is known as the superposition, a haunting state where a thing can simultaneously exist and not exist, suspended in a void of uncertainty until the very moment it is observed. When we expand this logic into the scale of the entire cosmos, we arrive at a breathtaking realization. No matter how the majestic swelling nebula may be, or how brilliantly the distant suns may burn, their beauty remains locked away in silence if there's no conscious heart to feel it. Without being like you, gifted with the spark of awareness, the universe would be nothing more than a dark, unfeeling mathematical equation. It would be a vast hollow heap of probabilities waiting in the shadows for a witness to finally bring it to life. The quant-science of cosmos. Is it possible the universe created you specifically because it wanted to know itself? After billions of years of existing in the silence and the darkness, perhaps the universe developed a desire to see its own splendor. To do so, it gathered its atoms and created your eyes. It crafted your ears to hear the echoes of its own Big Bang. It crafted your brain to question its own existence. So the next time you look at the stars, remember, you are not a helpless stranger who appeared here by chance. You are a living mirror that this 13.8 billion-year-old universe is using to look back at itself. You are its most sophisticated creation, built so it could finally feel, taste, and understand its own existence. You and the universe are not two separate things. You are one. The answer to why you exist is terrifyingly simple. The universe was blind for billions of years, and it wanted to see. It was deaf, and it wanted to hear. It was unfeeling, and it wanted to love. You are the universe's way of opening its eyes on a brief, shimmering moment. Don't think too hard about it. It's enough to make your head spin, but embrace that fact that you are the consciousness of the cosmos. Have a wonderful day.